Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. In the past, over here on the channel, we like to look at some of the more crazy sneakers. We like to get into some of those really interesting pairs of shoes, and I believe today, yeah, we've got a pretty crazy one. So this pair of shoes actually is kind of fitting for this time of year, and let's start getting into the spirit, the Christmas spirit. Today we're taking a look at the Nike Air Force 1 High Nordic Christmas. Let's get into this. You've got the Nike Air Force 1 box, and then what does the size tag say? Okay, it doesn't say anything about Christmas, but I guess that's kind of normal for Nike. Let's unbox them. If this doesn't get you in the Christmas spirit, I don't know what will. The Nike Air Force 1 High Nordic Christmas. These are hilarious. Pulling them out, actually the materials feel really wow. They feel really nice. Here you go. Here is the Christmas pair of shoes that we're gonna take a look at today. So these go by a couple different names. Of course, Nike just calls them the LV8. And they have the color code. They go by Nordic Christmas, they go by the ugly sweater, and I guess all kind of really just show you what the shoe is, but yeah, these are interesting. So straight out the box, they actually feel really good in hand. I'm not gonna lie, they feel pretty damn premium. There's no surprise that Nike puts out a Christmas themed pair of sneakers. I mean, Nike loves their different holiday themes. Also, we had the skeleton Air Force 1s for Halloween, and now it's Christmas time. We're getting a pair of, the Santa's beard action going on. Even start taking a look at this pair of shoes, I want to ask you guys, is a themed sneaker something that you are rocking? Are you rocking with Halloween sneakers? Are you rocking with Christmas sneakers? And if so, do you only rock them at that time, or do you rock them year round? I'd be very interested to know. So getting back to the shoes, let's get into some of the specifics. So these actually released over here in the EU first. I'm in the UK, so I managed to get these on the 2nd, I believe, of December. However, they're only dropping out in the US on December the 19th. So it still gives you plenty of time to put your order in and get them in before, well, hopefully it is plenty of time to get them in before December 25th, Christmas Day, where I assume that's why you're buying this pair. Retail at £110 or $120 out in the US. Now, I believe when these do drop, they're going to be releasing on Nike sneakers. In fact, they're already up on the US sneakers app. However, they dropped on the regular Nike app here in the EU. And let me tell you, to my surprise, they sold out straight away. But again, after they sold out, I was kind of like, you know what, maybe people are feeling the Christmas vibe. We're all kind of stuck in home. This year's been a bit crazy. Maybe we're out here buying Christmas shoes. to just make Christmas a little bit extra special this year. And you know what, actually, you know, seeing the images and everything is one thing, but getting it in hand, and actually this is not a bad colorway to rock. You know, I feel like it actually looks pretty good on foot. So there's quite a few elements on this that of course make it a little bit more special than a regular pair of Air Force One highs. To be honest, they released with 3 different models along. It's kind of like a Christmas pack. There was the Air Force One, there was an Air Max 90, and of course a Blazer. This being by far my favorite colorway. I'm a big fan of the kind of maroon burgundy tone that's going on. You know, you got a little bit of green up here on the strap, but the other 2 colorways were predominantly green. And yeah, this is the one I'm gonna choose. Getting into some of these materials, they are nice. I actually really like the feel of them. This Mudguard area is synthetic leather, but it is particularly soft. Get some more of that leather feeling material up around the lace eyelets, and of course the entire back panel of this sneaker. That of course comes in this kind of deep maroon or burgundy color. And yeah, the other panels that you get is, I can see where that ugly sweater vibe starts coming in. So the toe box has that kind of ugly sweater print on it, and it feels very soft, it feels very padded, and of course that goes around for the medial and the lateral side as well. Now the Nike swoosh comes in white, same kind of nice soft feeling leather material, and of course you get some more at the back. Now they really kind of finished this off with these gold accents. You get the gold Air Force One kind of tag on the laces at the front, you get this little gold buckle over here for the strap, and around the back you get some more of that Nike branding, again in some of that gold embroidery. The gold really kind of tucks it away for me. It makes it feel like a very premium Christmas shoe. Now you also get a strap, this being an Air Force One high, that's kind of common, and this one comes in the same kind of theme as the other materials on this shoe. However, yeah, it's green. Now one of the most important things you gotta realize is that we got a nice fluffy Santa beard action going around for the sock liner. Sock liner is covered completely in this very soft kind of white fluffy material. It's almost like one of those fluffy blankets that you have as like a throw or something. I guess maybe that's a little bit more applicable during Christmas when it's cold outside. But yeah, not only that, but the entire tongue spanning from top to bottom is all in that fluffy material. So let me tell you, when you have your foot in here, it feels cozy as hell. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up for the Air Force One high Christmas or ugly sweater. Let's call it the ugly sweater. Thank you guys so much for coming through, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. And hey, Merry Christmas.